What if I told you that beneath the surface of our planet, hidden in the depths of the ocean or buried under ancient soil, lie secrets that could rewrite everything we know about history? From creatures that look like they're from another world to objects with powers we still don't fully understand, Earth holds mysteries that challenge the limits of our imagination. In today's video, we will explore 10 most bizarre discoveries that will leave you questioning the world around you. Stick with us through this wild journey. Number 1 will completely blow your mind. 10. Headless Chicken Sea Monster. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Headless Chicken Sea Monster. Imagine swimming deep in the ocean and encountering a creature that looks like a headless chicken floating in the water. Sounds crazy, right? This bizarre discovery is actually a deep-sea creature known as Enoptiastes, or the Headless Chicken Sea Monster. Though it may look like something out of a sci-fi movie, it's actually a sea cucumber living at depths as deep as 3,300 feet. With its bright pink, semi-translucent body, you can even see its internal organs, making it look otherworldly. Despite its appearance, this creature plays an important role in the ocean's ecosystem by feeding on ocean floor sediment and providing nutrition for larger animals. 9. The Atakama Skeleton. Next, we have a discovery that shocked the world: the Atakama Skeleton. In 2003, archaeologists uncovered a tiny skeleton in the Atacama Desert. At just 6 inches long, it had experts scratching their heads. Was it an alien, an animal, or something totally unknown? After years of testing, DNA analysis revealed it was human, though it had 64 strange mutations, including dwarfism and scoliosis. This tiny skeleton, which likely belonged to a baby who survived only a few days after birth, sparked wild theories and left scientists puzzled for over 15 years. 8. Bouvet Island Lifeboat. One of the most remote places on Earth, Bouvet Island, is home to a truly bizarre discovery. In 1964, a South African ship found a lifeboat washed up on the island, surrounded by seals, but with no sign of the people who had been on it. This odd find baffled the crew, as Bouvet Island had never had a permanent human population. Years later, it was revealed that the lifeboat belonged to a group of ham radio enthusiasts. These adventurers had set up a camp on the island while pursuing their hobby of making contact with people across the globe. 7. The Peanut Worm. At number 7, we have the peanut worm. When it comes to strange creatures, peanut worms take the prize. Found in oceans around the world, these soft-bodied worms have no hard parts and can grow up to 4 inches long. When disturbed, they pulsate in response, making them one of the most bizarre animals on Earth. What's even more fascinating is that peanut worms have been around for over 500 million years, surviving through countless changes in the planet's history. In some parts of Asia, they're considered a delicacy and are eaten in dishes like jelly or dried snacks. These worms are so strange that even scientists are amazed by their ability to survive and adapt over such a long period. With new species still being discovered today, it's clear that peanut worms are far from ordinary creatures. They might just be the most bizarre snack on Earth. 6. The Lycurgus Cup. At number 6, we have the Lycurgus Cup. Imagine a cup that changes color depending on the angle at which you look at it, from dark red when lit from behind to green when lit from the front. This color-changing effect is a result of manipulating nanoparticles of gold and silver, a technique that was far ahead of its time. Even today, scientists still can't replicate the exact process used by the Romans to create this cup. Was it an accidental discovery, or did the Romans possess advanced knowledge of nanotechnology? The mystery of this artifact continues to baffle researchers. The fact that such an advanced technique existed so many centuries ago suggests that the ancient world might have been more technologically advanced than we think, and the Lycurgus Cup stands as a shining example of this lost knowledge. 5. The Severed Hands Discovery. In 2018, a shocking and eerie discovery was made on an island near the China-Russia border. A bag containing 54 human hands, 27 pairs. These hands had been recently severed, and the mystery of how they ended up there sparked wild theories. Were they part of an ancient ritual or linked to criminal activity? Investigations later revealed that the hands had been removed from bodies meant for burial and left behind by mistake. The unsettling discovery still leaves questions unanswered as to why and how the hands ended up on the island. The very fact that no one could trace the origin of the hands only deepened the mystery, and for a while, locals feared that the mystery would remain unsolved. What could have caused someone to leave these hands behind in such a remote place? 4. The Lost Lake. At number 4, we have a lake that disappears. Lost Lake, located in Oregon, is visible during the winter months, but by summer, it completely vanishes. How does this happen? The answer lies beneath the lake: lava tubes. During the winter, water pours into the lake faster than it can drain away, causing it to fill up. But when the weather heats up in the summer, the water drains out through the lava tubes, leaving behind only a meadow. It's a natural phenomenon that's still a source of wonder for locals. The mystery of this disappearing lake has fascinated people for generations, and its existence challenges the way we understand the forces of nature at work beneath the Earth's surface. Who would have thought that something so dramatic could happen so quietly every year? 3. Lake Michigan Stonehenge. At number 3, we have Lake Michigan Stonehenge. Stonehenge in the UK is famous for its ancient mystery. But did you know there's a similar structure under Lake Michigan? In 2007, researchers searching for sunken ships discovered an ancient stone monument beneath the lake. The monument is believed to be around 9,000 years old, and it even contains carvings of a mastodon, an extinct animal that lived over 10,000 years ago. Could this ancient structure have been built by an advanced civilization that predates our current understanding of history? The mystery of the Lake Michigan Stonehenge continues to puzzle experts, and its full story remains untold. This find has led some to rethink the way ancient civilizations lived and what they may have been capable of. Could there be hidden monuments all around us? 2. The Williams Enigma. Imagine hiking in the wilderness and finding a rock with a perfectly shaped electrical plug embedded within it. Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? But that's exactly what John J. Williams discovered in 1998 while hiking in North America. This rock, believed to be over 100,000 years old, has left experts stunned, as it seems impossible for nature to form such an object. Could this be evidence of an ancient advanced civilization, or even time travel? The truth behind the Williams Enigma remains a mystery, sparking wild theories and unanswered questions. 1. The Voinich Manuscript. At number 1, we have one of the most mysterious and baffling discoveries ever made, the Voinich Manuscript. This ancient book, dating back to the 15th century, is filled with strange, indecipherable writing and bizarre illustrations. Despite numerous attempts by the world's top codebreakers, no one has been able to decode the language in which the manuscript is written. Some believe it contains knowledge of advanced science, biology, and astronomy, but the true meaning remains hidden. Could it be a secret left by an ancient civilization? The Voinich Manuscript continues to fascinate and baffle researchers to this day. As we wrap up this list, it's clear that the Earth is full of strange and bizarre discoveries that challenge our understanding of history, nature, and science. From mysterious sea creatures to ancient artifacts, these finds remind us that there's always more to explore and uncover. The world is a truly fascinating place, and these discoveries are just the tip of the iceberg. If these discoveries left you in awe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this mind-blowing video with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.